Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's the girl Samantha, and in this video I will be telling you about the Cocoderm Lightening Cream. So stay tuned and watch till the end of this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment if you have questions about the Cocoderm. Thank you guys. The Cocoderm Lightening Lotion will moisturize and leave your skin flexible, soft, and hydrated. So guys, this cream or lotion is hydroquinone free. So there's no hydroquinone in there, so you don't have to worry. For the Cocoderm soap, it has in coconut and glycerine that confer to the product for suitable softness and protection for the daily hygiene. Are you suffering from dry and flaky skin that begs to be nourished and hydrated? You came to the right place. The Cocoderm body lotion is the answer to all your troubles. So if you want to mix this to get 1 or 2 shades, like I would say 3 shades, you can use your favorite lightening gel or mix the lightening cream and your serum in this cream to get a good shade from it. Well, this is the end of my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment down below if you have any more questions. And it's your girl Samantha, and I have more videos on my platform. You can go ahead and check it out, and I have more videos coming tomorrow, so please subscribe and share up the good video. Have a great day, guys. Bye guys.